Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool idea to give as a gift, especially for the handyman in your life, because this is a two different part rare earth magnet, super strong magnet that has a belt clip, so that if you're out working in a shop or maybe you're going to be working up on a ladder or on a roof, you can simply pull this part back and it can either clip onto a belt or your pants, either one, and now you've got that super rare earth magnet, and that is going to be able to hold all kinds of stuff from bolts and things like that to be able to pull off. Again, holds up to 20 pounds. Maybe you're up on a ladder, you're having to use separate tools, need to use screwdrivers, maybe you've got pocket knives, maybe you want to stick them both on there at the same time, and then you have ways that you can reach down and grab these things. I mean, that is fantastic that it can easily pull that stuff off of there so you have access to that wherever you are. I can see some great use for this, and it also does not actually, stick out that far, and it doesn't have any weird edges to catch anything. So when you're not having anything on there, you can either run your arms by it, you're not catching on it, or leave it even underneath your pants. And even by doing that, you can still stick things to it. Again, holds up to 20 pounds. So this would make a great gift, or keep it for yourself.